Hello everybody, it's Sue. Tonight I am going to do a something different. I'm going to start with a flip cup with dark colors. Then I'm going to attempt doing a swipe. And then I'm going to do the string technique on top of it in white. The swipe I'm going to do in a very probably pale pink color, very pale. Okay, so the paint I'm going to use today is Artist Loft. For the dirty pour, it's going to be Artist Loft Deep Magenta. Artist Loft. Okay, Artist Loft Metallic Black, Artist Loft Silver, and Studio Payne's Gray. That's for the dirty pour. This color here that I'm going to try the swipe with is just house paint, and it's Glidden Ultra Eggshell. So I just got a small can of it. It was with the mist tints. Cost me $4. And then I'm just using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic for the string. And I've got 4 cups here and the string's already in there. So I've already mixed my paints. With these paints I used about half and half paint, half Floetrol. That's what I'm using for the pouring medium. Floetrol. And then I add water to that to get the right consistency. And let's see if I can show you the consistency. It's hard to show you at this angle, but I'm going to try. So I don't. If I lift it high enough. Well, I don't know if I can do this. Now, you might be able to see it. Let's try it with a lighter color. Okay. And what else? Okay, I'm putting what I use for, I used dimethicone to give me cells. It's coconut milk serum. And I'm going to put maybe 3 drops each color. I've already put about 1 to 2 drops in the white for the string. I'm not putting any in the, actually I might put a couple in the color I'm going to swipe with, but I don't think you have to. So okay, here goes. I'm just going to layer them a little bit. First I put the Payne's Gray in, then I put the silver, then I put the metallic black, and then the magenta. So now I'm going to do it again. Silver. just gonna let it sit for a minute or two, just till it all falls down. Oh, lots of paint. I've got a lot of cells already. Without even torching or... Okay, so now I'm going to torch it a bit. And I'm going to use my corner thing to cut so that I don't lose too much paint on the corners. Torch it again. What I didn't show you is the string that I'm using. It's the same kind of, it's cotton wool. It's the same kind of stuff you would use for knitting those dishcloths. So I'm just gonna put some along the edge here, and then I'm gonna dampen a paper towel, and then I'm just gonna swipe this way. Let's hope it works. If not, I'll be wiping it off. Okay, so I don't want too much on here, so I'm just gonna it. My paper towel. Just dampen it with some water. Just gonna, lay it and let it make contact. Oh, wow. I really like that. Let's just let it do its work before I do the string. Okay, what I do before I do the string, I'm gonna just zoom in a bit for you. Go back and forth in like loops. Okay, like that. And pull. Okay, the next one. Same thing. Might do just a little bit higher up. Yes, pull. Next one. I thought I had room for 4, but I only have room for 3, so I'm gonna go the other way. Oh, and I dripped on it. That's okay. I'm gonna do one right here. Whoops, I have to do it now. Let's try just a little one. Whoops. Another little one. Right about here. I'll try to just show you a close-up. So this is my painting dried. It's fully dried now. It's dried nice and smooth. I just wanted to show you how it dried. It pretty much stayed the same as when it was wet. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you can. hit the like button and the bell if you want to see more of my videos. That's the cells going on here. Okay, so that's it then. Thank you for watching again. Bye for now.